I can wear a good jacket, good shirt, I look handsome or smart. But if my heart is not good, there is no use. Same way, if quality of wire is not good, and how much nice house you make, one day that will collapse. So we, as RR Cable Limited, it's a very young company. We are in this business for the last 20 years. Our main goal is to be very quality conscious. What commitment we give, we want to do it. And in terms of demand of wire cable, is going to be very bright from financial year 21-22. But the biggest challenge is that neither consumer, neither developer, neither consultant and contractor are a quality conscious. One way we are looking that we want to be our country very safe, our country want to be a $5 trillion economy. But is our country is really electrical safe? It's a big question. Today almost 45 to 50% wire of building wire which is a class 5 conductor, and because of that the chances of fire will be very high and power consumption is going to increase by 5 to 7%, and the cost of wire difference is hardly 4 to 5%. Means whatever you are spending money, saving money into wires, you are paying every year in electricity bill. Why don't we create very strong norms in BIS, in CPRI, in IRDA? I am not only for wire and cable, I am talking as all electrical product. We need to create some credential. So we need to improve our standard and we should be very strict in terms of rule. Wire is the most dangerous thing because entire worldwide, any fire occur, 85% is because of short circuit, and out of this 85% is almost 70 to 80% because of wire. Since we don't have any knowledge about the quality, or neither we don't have such seriousness about the quality of wire, and we ignore, it's my request, don't use anything in your home which is made out of PVC, especially in wire. The places which are for the common use, they should have a fire survival cable. Same way for industries which are the common places, you should have a fire survival cable. Or when you want to bring your power from transformer to your factory, rather than cable you should use a bus duct, that should be also of copper. Use only copper cable. In India, many companies, many people started aluminum wire, but we all understand that copper has more strong benefit in terms of technical, safety wise. Because of cost, many of our companies have shifted from copper to aluminum. But please think also, when you invest in copper cable, you got today's safety, and life of cable is approximately, if you calculate, 30 years. So after 30 years, you will get more money when you sell the cable. So your investment will remain with you. You will get your return in short term, medium term, long term. Use only copper cable. See, electrical fire safety conclave we started from IEEMA with support of ICA. And after that, I see in last 3 years, there are a lot of awareness is there because of electrical fire safety. I see in very short term, people will move very fast. They will come out from PVC to LSH wire because of safety. So these are the two trends I see a change, plus the demand of fire survival cable is going to increase. People should give a respect to the MEP consultant, electrical contractor, electrician, and respect only can be created by trust, honesty, and highest level of electrical safety. As an electrician, I don't want to lose the business. I don't want to lose the opportunity. I keep on compromising on the prices. So then what I do my reverse working on cost cutting. When you start reverse do cost cutting, we started using cheap wire, cheap electrical product, at least products which are invisible. But then ultimately the biggest culprit becomes the wire and cable and conduit. So these are the challenges. So we would like to bring electrician to our factory where we can show them the difference in terms of quality of wires, what is the advantage, PVC, LOSH, FRLS, and lot of training program we are doing it. Then ultimately our goal that we would like to create respect for our electrician friend, electrician to be treated like a doctor of electrical. The day people will treat them rather than electrician as a doctor of electrical, that their things will be different. Our country will be the most electrical.